Gentlemen, let me ask you something personal. Have you ever been with your partner wanting to please her, but no matter what you tried, she just didn't get as turned on as you hoped? Maybe it felt like you were putting in effort, but she wasn't responding. Or maybe you felt unsure, wondering if what you were doing was even working. I want you to know you're not alone. In fact, almost every man I've talked to has asked me the same question. Dr. Laura, what kind of foreplay actually works every time? After 12 years as a practicing urologist focusing on men's health, I can tell you there is a method that works for nearly every woman. It not only builds arousal naturally, but also makes her feel deeply connected, safe, and truly wanted. And the best part? It's simple, it doesn't take hours, and when done right, it always works. So in today's video, I'll guide you step by step through the 4 biggest mistakes men make during foreplay and why they don't work. Then I'll show you the technique that never fails, what it is, how to do it, and why it works both physically and emotionally. You'll also learn how to make it personal for your partner, so it always feels fresh, exciting, and unforgettable. Before we begin, hit that like button to help other men find this video. Comment below and tell me where you're watching from. I love seeing where everyone is tuning in from. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future men's health videos. Now, let's get started. Here's the truth most men never hear. Foreplay isn't about tricks or shortcuts. It's not about memorizing one move that magically turns her on. Why? Because women's arousal doesn't start in one place. It starts all over her body. If you go straight for one area, like her breasts, genitals, or even her mind, you skip how female arousal naturally works. Even more importantly, foreplay isn't just physical for women, it's emotional too. If she doesn't feel safe, cared for, or truly wanted, her body won't respond the way you hope. That's why common foreplay moves so many men depend on often fall flat. For those new here, my name is Dr. Laura. I'm a urologist, and for the past 12 years, I've worked closely with men and couples to solve intimacy challenges, rebuild confidence, and improve sexual health naturally. I've seen everything from performance anxiety to erectile issues to couples who've lost their spark for years. Real solutions aren't about gimmicks or pills. They come from understanding the body, respecting emotional intimacy, and building connection through technique. So when I say this one form of foreplay works almost every time, it's not a guess. It's something I've seen transform relationships again and again. Before I show you the technique, let's go over the 4 mistakes most men make during foreplay, because even doing these a little can stop her from feeling real pleasure. Mistake number 1, jumping straight to oral sex. Many men think it's the ultimate move, but if she's not already aroused, her body isn't sensitive yet. Instead of pleasure, she might feel pressure or nothing at all. It's like trying to drive before the engine has warmed up. Oral sex can be amazing, but it's not the start, it's the bridge. Mistake number 2, relying on gentle touching. Many men try soft strokes to be romantic, but if it's too light, it feels ticklish, not arousing. If it's too rough, it ruins the mood. The key is touch that's alive, intentional, and connected, not random. Mistake number 3, using massage as foreplay. Massage is great for relaxing her, but it can slow things down too much and keep her in a calm, not passionate mindset. It's fine as part of the flow, but not the spark itself. Mistake number 4, focusing too much on mental stimulation. Dirty talk and teasing can be fun, but they keep her in her head, and real arousal happens in the body. If you stay there too long, she may enjoy the game, but never feel the heat. Do any of these sound familiar? Don't worry, you're not alone. Now let's talk about what actually works. The most powerful and reliable kind of foreplay I teach is something I call full body-to-body flow. Instead of focusing on one area, you use your whole body, chest, arms, hands, mouth, to move over hers slowly and sensually. Think of it like a dance, your body gliding over hers, touching, kissing, holding, breathing her in. You're not poking or grabbing, you're surrounding her and feeling. Here's why it works so well. Biologically, the skin is the largest sexual organ. When you touch many areas, her neck, hips, thighs, stomach, back, you flood her brain with pleasure signals. Her body naturally prepares for arousal. Emotionally, full body flow tells her, I want all of you, not just one part. She feels desired, safe, and loved. That safety melts away resistance and turns into pure desire. In everyday life, it means slowing down, not rushing the moment. You're not going through a list of steps. You're enjoying her, and she can feel that. Now, let's go over this one step at a time. Start by being fully present. Before you touch her, take a breath and calm yourself. Look into her eyes and let her feel your attention. Women can tell when you're distracted, and it instantly ruins the mood. Use more than just your hands as you move over her. Let your chest rest against hers. Brush your stomach along her thighs and kiss her deeply while your hands explore her hips. The more contact you create, the more surrounded and desired she feels. Change your pace and pressure. Don't become repetitive. Sometimes move slowly, other times a bit firmer. Use your hands to squeeze lightly, your mouth to kiss softly, then deepen it. This gentle unpredictability keeps her body awake and excited. Focus on her sensitive areas in a smooth order. Her neck, collarbone, sides, thighs, and lower stomach. These spots build pleasure when touched in a natural rhythm. Think of it like connecting dots on a map. Instead of staying in one place, blend your moves together. A kiss turns into a lick. A lick becomes a soft bite. Your chest leads to your hands, and your hands to your lips. It's one ongoing motion, not a start and stop routine. Here's where many men slip up. You have to read her signals. If her breathing deepens, keep doing what works. If she tenses or pulls back, slow down. Some nights she'll crave deep passion. Other nights, something gentler and more emotional. The method stays the same, but the tone changes. And remember, don't overuse it. If you do the same flow every time, it will start to feel scripted. Instead, switch things up. Try different positions like on top, spooning, standing, or side by side. Change your rhythm to keep it new and exciting. So here's your task. The next time you're with your partner, forget about trying to be perfect. Stop worrying about the right move. Instead, think, how can I surround her body with mine right now? Start slow, increase pressure gradually, and let her body warm up before touching her most sensitive spots. Stay tuned in. Watch her breathing, listen to her sounds, and notice her reactions. Adjust as you go. Keep things playful with different speeds, positions, and patterns. Stay natural, never mechanical. And if you want to improve your stamina and blood flow for more confidence and energy, I suggest a clinically tested nitric oxide booster made from organic watermelon extract. It helps with circulation throughout the body, including the genitals, and makes every touch feel more powerful. You'll find the link to my recommended supplement in the pinned comment below. Now, let's pause for a heart-to-heart moment. Many men, especially as they get older, start to feel nervous about intimacy. They wonder if they've lost their spark, if they can still please their partner, or if passion is something that fades with time. Let me assure you, it's never too late. I've seen men in their 60s and 70s bring back deep connection and excitement using this same approach. Why?
Because it's not about being young or having endless energy. It's about connection, presence, and understanding what truly moves a woman's body. If it feels like intimacy is fading, remember this. With just a few small changes, you can bring it back. You can make her feel alive again and regain that sense of pride and confidence in yourself. So, gentlemen, here's the key takeaway. Stop depending on old, ineffective foreplay tricks. Start using the full body-to-body flow. And remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being connected. When you stay present, touch with purpose, and keep variety alive, you'll create a kind of foreplay that never fails. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more men's health tips. And don't forget to comment below and share where you're watching from. I love seeing our community of men supporting each other from all over the world. Most importantly, never give up. Age does not end passion. With a few mindful changes, you can bring back comfort, freedom, and confidence in your body and in your relationship. I'm Dr. Laura.